This collapsible cart by Greenwise is perfect for apartment-style living to bring in your groceries from the long parkade walk or to take out the recycle and garbage. Instead of trying to be a superhero to carry all your groceries in one trip, this cart has plenty of space to store up to 165 pounds and several bags of groceries, saving your arms, back, and shoulders from all that unnecessary strain. The usable space in this compartment is 34.6 inches long, 18.5 inches wide, and 11 inches tall. The wheels are large and shock absorbing, making this perfect to take with you even to a sandy beach or through some rough terrain if you're planning a picnic out in nature. The best part is this comes fully assembled as seen right here. To open it up, you simply pull on the sides and you're ready to load and go. When you're all done, you pull up on this center strap and it's ready to stow. When folded up, this will easily fit in your trunk or even backseat of your car. The arm pulls up and out, so you don't have to bend over to pull this cart. The wheels will easily turn every which way, but the wheels themselves are stationary. This means you can't turn the arm to get around tight corners, so when you're taking turns, you have to take wide swings to get around obstacles. They come in blue, green, and red if you're looking for some different color options. I'll put a link in the description if you're looking to purchase today, and I'll toss a QR code up here. You can pause this video to scan the QR code if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Perfect.